Need to convert a file but don't want to pay for the software, whether it's PDF, Word document, image, audio, or video. I'll show you free ways to do it. Most of the methods I'm going to show work both on Mac and Windows. So let's get started. Hello guys, this is Azam Gill and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. So we'll start with method 1. Well, this method works both on Mac and Windows, but first I'm gonna demonstrate how it works on Mac. Mac users can convert images using Preview. Open the image, go to File, Export, and choose any format, for example PNG, JPEG, or PDF, and your file is ready. For Windows users, you can use Paint or Photos to open the image and save it to any different format you want to. If you want to convert PDFs to Word or image, what Mac users can do is open a PDF in Preview, go to File, Export, and select JPEG or PNG to convert it into an image. Windows users can use Microsoft Print to PDF or an online converter, which will be explained later in the video. If you want to convert Word to PDF or PDF to Word, Mac and Windows users both can follow these steps. Just open a document in Microsoft Word, go to File, Save As, choose PDF. And that's it. Method 2. For online converters, this method will work both for Mac and Windows. For almost any file type, you can use Cloud Convert or Convert.io. Upload your file, PDF, Word, image, video, audio, any file. Choose the format you need. Click Convert. And then download. Well, these sites work for most formats, but some have file size limits. Now let's move to the third method, in which we are going to use free softwares for video and audio. This method can be used both on Windows and Mac. If you want to convert a video to MP4, MOV, AVI, etc., you can use a software called HandBrake. HandBrake is a free tool. Drag your video, choose, let's say, MP4, and hit Start. Now let's see how can we convert audio, MP3, WAV, M4A, etc. This method can also be used both on Windows and Mac. For audio, use a software called Audacity. It's a great free software and supports MP3, WAV, and more formats. That's it. So you can use computers' built-in tools for quick conversions, online converters for any file type, and free apps like HandBrake and Audacity for video and audio. Let me know if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. For now, I, Azam Gill, is signing off. See you in the next video. Peace.